Hello my beautiful people. So today I'm going to be getting ready with you, starting off with sunscreen. This is the Elta Md. Just clipping my hair out of the face, and then we're going in with foundation. This is the Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I'm literally obsessed with it because it's so glowy. And then I'm taking the Nars concealer and just a little bit in the T-zone, under the eyes and the chin area to brighten it up. I am then taking a damp beauty blender and blending all that concealer out. Make sure you blend. I'm then taking a powder puff and setting my under eyes with this banana colored powder. Loving this recently. Going in with a little bit bronzer, I'm taking the Patrick Ta She's So LA, and I love using this as bronzer. It's just so gorgeous. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Oh She's Different, which is the blush shade. And I'm just going on the apples of my cheeks, a little bit on the nose. I'm taking the creamy little shade and then giving me that glow. Blending that out with my fingers. I'm then taking this limited edition Becca palette. I love the highlighter shade in this palette particularly, so I'm using that as a highlighter on the high points of my cheeks. I'm then taking the blush and contour shade all over my face just for an all over glow and a beautiful finish. Alright, now let's get that inner corner highlight. I'm using the same highlighting shade, but with a little bit of a smaller brush, going in my inner corners with it. I'm also going to do my Cupid's bow. I'm then taking a crease fluffy brush and I'm using the bronzer shade, putting that in my crease and blending it outwards. This is going to give me that lifted effect, and it's also going to be a very monochromatic look for daily. I like to do the same color on the lower lash line, which just looks absolutely stunning and sun-kissed. I then like to take the blush shade and just go over that bronzer again for a more monochromatic and cohesive look. Next, I'm going with my favorite part. This is mascara, and it is the L'Oreal Voluminous. I like to coat my lashes very evenly, lower and top lashes for sure. I'm then taking a ink liner, and I'm just doing a little baby wing. Brushing my eyebrows up with a mascara wand because I already laminated them and all they need is a little bit brushing. I'm then going in with lip balm. This is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Oh my god, I love it. I'm then finishing it off with perfume, and this is the finished look, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and like and comment for more.